iSteady M6 First Use. In the box. Fill light with AI vision sensor is an optional accessory which is sold separately or needs to be purchased in iSteady M6 kit. Gimbal Charging. Before using it for the first time, please fully charge the gimbal. Charging method. To charge the gimbal, connect the charging port on the side of handle to a USB adapter with a provided USB-C charging cable. The battery percentage moves when the gimbal is in charge. Reverse charging. You can charge your smartphone with this gimbal when it is powered on. There's a DC out port on the tilt axis arm, connected to smartphone charging port with a charging cable to start smartphone charging. Tips. Android device. Charging with the provided USB-C to USB-C cable. iOS device. Charging with USB-C to Lightning cable not included. It is required to press the power button once to start charge your smartphone when the gimbal is powered off. Download the app Hohem Joy. Scan the QR code or search Hohem Joy in App Store or Google Play to download. Install the app and sign in to prepare for Bluetooth connection. Mounting and balancing. Unlock motors. Before mounting your phone, unlock the roll motor and pan motor to ensure movable arms. To unlock roll motor, hold the handle steadily while facing the control panel. Generally rotate the roll motor from left to right until it can rotate freely. To unlock pan motor, unlock the pan axis latch under the pan motor by pushing the switch downwards until you hear a click. Mounting the smartphone. Tips. Compatible phones. Less than or equal to 7-inch, weight less than or equal to 400 grams, width 58 mm to 98 mm. Mounting in landscape mode. Make sure Hohem logo faces forward with the phone camera on the left. Keep the phone charging to rubber pads on the clamp and tilt motor. Mounting in portrait mode. Rotate the clamp by 90 degrees as shown. Make sure the phone camera faces upwards. Keep the phone mounted centrally in the clamp. Tips. If the gimbal is mounted with bigger smartphone in portrait mode, please push your phone upwards to ensure some space between the phone and the roll motor. Balancing the phone. Unlock the roll axis arm latch as shown. Push the arm to move left or right until the phone is steady at almost level with the ground. Tighten the latch. Power on and Bluetooth connection. Power on. Press and hold the power button for 3 seconds to power on, off. Bluetooth connection. After powering on the gimbal, turn on Bluetooth on mobile phone. Launch the app Hohem Joy. Follow the prompts to collect iSteady M6 device. After successful connection, Bluetooth icon will show on OLED display. Reset Bluetooth connection. Long pressing the M button for 5 seconds while simultaneously pushing up on the zoom lever. The X near the Bluetooth icon implies that the paired device has been cleared. To add another device, just repeat the procedures above. Use AI tracking. Installing magnetic AI vision sensor. Keep the magnetic alignment upwards. Attach the AI vision sensor to the magnetic alignment. Turn on AI tracking sensor. After powering on the gimbal, switch on the AI vision sensor. And then, the indicator light turns red, with fill light flashing twice. To turn off the AI vision sensor, push the button as shown from on to off. Gesture control. You can enable AI tracking with gesture, without app or Bluetooth required. Give the AI vision sensor an OK gesture. If the indicator light turns green, it means AI tracking is enabled. Show the gesture palm. If the indicator light turns red, it means AI tracking is terminated. Tips on using AI tracking. When using AI tracking, please note 1. Adequate lighting. 2. Proper distance. 3. Standard and correct gesture. 1. Adequate lighting. Adequate light for more responsive AI tracking. Insufficient light may cause reduced performance of AI tracking. 2. Proper distance. Effective distance for gesture control 0.5 meters to 1.5 meters. Effective distance for AI tracking 0.5 meters to 3 meters. Ineffective distance will cause reduced performance of AI tracking. 3. Standard and correct gesture. To start and AI tracking, the AI sensor should recognize your face and gesture simultaneously. AI tracking angle. iSteady M6 can perform 360-degree infinitely horizontal tracking and up-down tracking. AI tracking for front, rear camera. To switch between front camera tracking and rear camera tracking, manually rotate the AI vision sensor 180 degrees as shown and keep it aligned with phone camera direction. AI vision positioning adjustment. If the framed subject cannot be centered on the phone screen, or you want to customize the AI vision position to be tracked, make sure the gimbal and AI vision sensor are on. Take the gesture towards the AI vision sensor to enable customized composition, and the indicator blinks green quickly. Move in front of the screen until you find the preferred position to be tracked. Show the gesture to lock the position and create ideal composition. The indicator stops flashing. Buttons. Power button. Press and hold for 3 seconds to power on, off. When powered on, press twice, enter the standby mode. Press once, wake up the gimbal. Joystick. Push the joystick up, down, tilt rotation control. Push the joystick left, right, pan rotation control. M mode button. Press once, switch between gimbal modes. PF, PTF, L, POV, PF. Tilt and roll axis both are locked and camera is able to move to left or right smoothly. PTF. Roll axis is locked and camera is able to move left, right, and tilt up, down. L. Camera stays in its current orientation. POV. Tilt axis, roll axis, and pan axis all follow the movement of the gimbal, also known as first-person shot. Press 3 times. ICP, Inception Mode, 360-degree infinite spin shot. Press 5 times. Auto calibration. Place gimbal on a flat surface by means of a tripod. Double press the trigger to recenter the gimbal. Press the M button 5 times to enable the auto calibration, and you will hear a beep sound. Please do not touch the gimbal during calibration. The second beep indicates that the calibration is completed and the gimbal will be recentered automatically. 2 short beeps, following the calibration failure, indicates that the gimbal has been in the standby mode. Any button can wake up the gimbal. Then, follow the steps above to make calibration again. Shutter button and zoom lever. Lever up, zoom in. Lever down, zoom out. Half press, focus. Press once, take a photo, start and video. Press twice, photo video switch. Press 3 times, front rear camera switch. Trigger. Press on, sport mode S. In this mode, the follow speed of the gimbal increases for capturing quick moving subjects and any fast-paced action. Press twice, recenter the gimbal. Press 3 times, reverse 180-degree panning rotation. Press 4 times, ultra-wide-angle shot mode. In this mode, roll motor will be in front of phone screen, and no motor will be seen on screen when you are performing ultra-wide-angle shot. Multifunctional control wheel. Press twice, focus roll switch. Focus. Focus control. Roll rotation, plus or minus 45 degrees. Press and hold, turn on, off the fill light. Press 3 times, CCT, RGB switch. CCT, adjust color temperature and brightness of cold, warm light by rotating the wheel. RGB, adjust color and brightness of RGB light by rotating the wheel. Press once, select option. Buttons for A/B motion. Button A/B is used to set the start end point to record the A/B motion time-lapse. Set the point A by long pressing the button A. A short beep signifies successful setting. Set the point B by long pressing the button B. A short beep signifies successful setting. Press button A once. Quickly return to the point A from the current point. Press button B once. Quickly return to the point B from the current point. Press button A twice. Return to the point A from the current point at a constant speed. Press button B twice. Return to the point B from the current point at a constant speed. App features. 5 features in the menu bar at the bottom. In the bottom menu bar, you can scroll through 5 features. Panorama, photo taking with a wide angle of view. Time-lapse. You can set internal, shooting time, viewing spots, and then take time-lapse video with one tap. Video mode. Just press the shutter button once to start recording. Photo mode. Just press the shutter button once to start taking photo. Moment mode. Diverse templates available. Scroll through to your favorite template and hit Start button. One-tap blockbuster with ease. Beauty and filters. The beauty and filter function is in the second to last row. You can choose beauty or filters. Gesture control. Fix the second icon from the right as shown. Click it. V gesture with single hand to enable photo taking after a brief countdown. V gesture with single hand to enable video taking after a brief countdown. Start recording. Palm gesture with single hand to end recording. Zoom focus. Z icon, used to zoom in, out. F icon, used to control focus. Visit the album. Click the icon on the left to visit album. You can also access the local album on your phone. More functions. Across the top row of options are back, front rear camera switch, flashlight setting, smart tracking, camera and gimbal parameters setting. Thanks for watching.